Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining my today's session. We are just going to follow the same pattern, same procedures for today's trading. We will perform the live trade again. It's just for the information. Do your own research while enter the trade. Uh, and let's talk about something what's going on in the market. So before we start our session and get into the trade. So the market is experiencing like it's significant volatility for now. So there is extreme fear factor going on in the market, and today the price is struggling very hard to find a solid ground ahead. But uh, let's see where does it goes. So BTC just fall. BTC is just trading in between 86,000 to 87,000, just a 1,000 gap, and yeah. Uh, Moreover, there's a fault line somewhere around 81,000. So if it falls down something 81,000 around that, so it can fall maybe more than that. And the next support could have been 76,000, somewhere around that, if it falls back. But uh, we cannot, well, of course, judge the market. Something big happens, some big money moves from here to there, so it can move the Bitcoin price against the market, against the trends sometimes. So yes, that's the volatility of the market. And the Ethereum is roughly just dropping like 3 to 4% today, so it's weakening already. And it went to trade somewhere around 2,850. And yeah, moreover, XRP, no, I am just talking about few major coins with the market cap, so like three, four major coins: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and Zcash. Yeah, definitely. So right now, Ethereum is roughly just moving 1.87. It's just hovering around somewhere, and just keep it below $2. So it has a potential for the longer term, for the longer period of time. Definitely, you can spend, you can buy in spot for the futures, for future purpose, like not for futures trading, just for future. Maybe it can go way up, and it's backed by a lot of big institutions. So yeah. Um. Okay. So let's start with. Uh, Let me check another thing for you guys. Okay. All right. All right. Before you enter in the crypto market or to trading, futures or spot, whatever you want to do, just do your own research. Nothing presented in live stream is uh, financial or investment advice. So it's just for educational purposes or just for engaging, while engaging to pass the time. Yeah. So if you want to pass some time and just see the entertainment, what's going on in the market, how to read the market, yeah, it's just for that. So I always mention that. Moreover, yeah, there is a link mentioned in the description. By following the link, you can click on that and subscribe. Uh, Register with the exchange. You will get another 100 USDT as a bonus money, which you can utilize uh, to perform the futures trade. Uh, yeah, uh, it's a limited time offer, and there is a 50% discount on uh, futures trading fee. Moreover, there is a zero fee on spot buying. So it's a win-win. And if you deposit 10 USDT, you would be awarded 50 USDT, 10 USDT on top of that as a bonus. Again, all right. So let's see what's going on with the market. So okay, there is one more news to CPI release to go maybe somewhere around 8:30 a.m. At US time. So there is a future Federal Reserve interest rate decision is just going to be done today. And moreover, yeah, we cannot forget to talk about yen carry trade. It's a major factor. It can move the market. Uh, of course, it's just triggering the market for the high risk assets like crypto. Uh, so yeah, uh, it's already rising like 10 years Japanese government bond. So Japanese government bond is already like on the higher side, and its yield is nearly 1.898%. And yes, of course, it's fueling the fear in the market. So let's see what happens tomorrow. Tomorrow could have been a big day for the crypto. Uh, and moreover, let's talk about, yeah, let's talk about the factors more. So of course, the fear factor is just gaining and getting fire, and it was just seven in between 17 to 22. Yeah, it's very like on the fear side, and yeah, there are projects launching like 1.5 level markets. Yeah, pre-market trading. So fundraising become the more difficult for now. And what's the regulatory watch? Yeah, the green. Okay. Yeah, okay. So that's all for crypto for now. Today there is nothing big, but yeah, two big things to go. One is tomorrow, CPI meeting, and let's see what's happened. Uh, yeah, CPI meeting is just going to happen today, and tomorrow, yeah, uh, yen market. So let's see yen carry rate. Where does it goes? Where does it takes crypto? Okay, so. I would definitely suggest you guys to just tight if you are if you have open some positions, if you are a pro trader, just tight your uh, uh, stop losses and just keep your assets safe. So one big move can, wipe out your accounts. All right, for now we will see what can we do. So where is the position? Yeah, we will just perform small trades today again and try to capture small amount of profit. Um, yeah, just using the 50x of margin and yeah. So let's see. Okay. Mm, let me set this up for you guys. Okay, we are the pair we are trading now. We are just having a look on that. So just keeping eye on truth. So let's see what does it shows, and the momentum is in the okay. All right, guys. So the momentum for this coin is just showing 1 minute time frame is showing like it's just moving in between some range bound. So yeah, it has. Uh, if we see on the broader prospect, yes, it has potential to go up. But the BTC, the movement of BTC can, perform anything wrong. So let's see if we try to get to the position using $200 of our margin with 50x leverage from the market. So yes, let's see if we can have an opportunity following by the RSI, of course. Not forget to mention the RSI. We are just focusing on the RSI. So 1 minute time frame, the RSI is just in between the range, but not Yes. If it falls somewhere around here, and the next candle, if some, but this movement shows it has potential to go up a little bit. But yeah, I think we should wait for the confirmation. Of course, what is the confirmation for this trade? The confirmation is this line, moreover RSI, and if it falls back from there and one candle and the other candle also closes in red, so that means there's a trend short, like a bearish trend for that specific period of time. So let's see. Moreover, what else we can see? The market is moving very now the market the big coins are moving very steadily into very limited price range. So maybe yeah, it can something big is just about to be happen. It's the sign of some big movement. So let's see if we can grab a chance. Okay, so the BTC, the movement of BTC is showing us. All right, guys. So see, that's what I was talking about. There is the moment this candle was the indication for that specific period of time. So for now, but the momentum shows it's the bearish trend. Let's see if we can get a chance. All right. Yeah. So today we are trying to just make we will try to make somewhere around 2 to 5% of our portfolio. So our portfolio is 8,300 and yeah. So what would be the 5% of that? I'll definitely confirm you guys. 8,300 is the portfolio, and so yeah, almost $400. So if I secure to make $400, so that means I am just gaining 5% of my portfolio, which is not uh, in term of the money, it's not a big money, but always follow the percentage of the gain. So yeah, always follow. You try to follow the I must say your discipline. Just set your discipline as all I always mention. Um, okay, so if let's see any other pair if we can get an opportunity to see. Yes, this one shows the bearish momentum for now. I think we can enter the trade from, let me check for the 5 minute time frame. So we have 500 is also showing the moment. Okay, you guys can see the moment of this coin. It just goes a little bit up, then falls back again. And let's see the 15-minute time frame. So in the 15-minute time frame, the moment is just in between this range bound. So yeah, it went to that position 2100 something. But got a clear rejection, then it falls back. So maybe it will fall somewhere around here. Yeah, it can come, or or otherwise this. is for the short term. I think we should take the short trade from here. But I'm not seeing the RSI for now actually. What was RSI of 5 minutes? So on the 5 minute time frame, the RSI was 41. Yeah, I think we should wait for now. But let's do the back test. What happens when the coin had a movement like this? Okay, it went up, then came back. This movement is this. Okay, and it went up and came down. So if RSI goes above the 70, now I can take the short position from here. So I'm just waiting for the RSI to make a confirmation for me to enter the trade. So if RSI goes above 70, I can open the short position. Because it's not, the movement is not clear yet. Try to use, oh, sorry. I got, I just pressed enter. I was just setting up the margin. So I got entered the trade. Well, that's totally fine. So let's see. I'm using the $100 of my margin. So yeah, the RSI was 74. I should have entered at this point of trade. Okay, let's see where does it goes. And if we would be able to make some dollars from here, some percentage of our capital, and always try to compound your money. Compounding can help to create your wealth. Yes, it is. Okay. If you guys have any question, you guys can ask me in the comment section. I would love to respond you guys. More over. Okay. So for now, yes, we have. Okay, so the momentum is just shifting from bullish to bearish to bullish, but that's totally fine. I'm just looking at the. Okay, yeah, it has potential to come down, so yes, we can. All right. So now the momentum is just shifting from. It will, and I am just going to set my TP to. Yeah, at this point. So let's see if we can hit our TP. I could have opened the $200 trade, so $200 means like how much is the percentage? Yeah, 2% of 1% of let me check. Yeah, I could have used like 2.5% of my portfolio. What is the 2.5% of my portfolio? 8,300. It's just like 200 and some dollars, maybe $240. Yeah. But for now, I'm just using 1% of my portfolio, somewhere around 1.15% maybe. So because when you are not so sure about the trade, so yeah, you should try to be safe and open the trade with safe margin. And for now, yes, we have to see. Let me check the other pair on the other screen. So meanwhile, you guys can follow this trade. Whatever. No, this pair is not giving us much truth. Yes. Okay, meanwhile, let me open the trade of truth. So it is the moment of truth. We can take the long position. The RSI is just below 30. Yes, we can take RSI is it's moving up. Let's wait for another candle. So I just want to enter the positions from somewhere around here. And let's see where does it takes us. On the other hand, let me check. Okay, okay. So let's see if it gives us a chance. Yes, it is. It was the right time to enter the position, and but I am just trying to follow whether we can put our stop loss, and let's see if we can make some money from here. Uh, Moreover, what's okay? Just stay with me, guys. Let's see if we can grab a chance. And all right. Okay. So yes, there is a chance in the next candle if the next candle falls back somewhere around here. So I'm just going to enter the long position. So let's see. And the live chat is open. You guys can write me anything if you guys want to ask any question. So I would definitely love to respond to you guys. And let's see. Yes, there is a chance. The moment is very like not sure, not clear yet. But the RSI is just like giving us a chance, confirmation to take the long position from here. So yes, I'm just going to enter the long position from okay in the next candle. Okay. Uh, let's this thing happens. So no worries. Uh, you guys can skip the trade sometimes. It's not always you can just grab the chance. No worries. We will get the trade. We will wait for the right time actually. So let's see what is the right time for this trade. Okay, meanwhile, let's see the trade, other trade. What happened? What's going on? What was that? Yeah, what? Yes, you guys see, I just and our TP is just about to hit. Maybe it will hit our TP. Uh, or we can manually close the trade. So let's see. Let's see if we can see. I have just drawn the support somewhere around here, following by this, but I have just put my TPs just below that. So I was expecting this to touch if some big order blocks fill from here, but it does not give me. So it could have go back a little bit. No, let's discard for now and just keep waiting for. It was $50, but never did just missed the nick of the the tip of the actually this week. So we have just missed the tip of this week. Well, no worries. Our TP was just a little bit, just see the small amount of. Okay, no worries. Let's see. Yeah, yes, the momentum shows the positive side. So, okay, we will try to see. On the other hand, let's see. Yeah, that's that the point where I was just about to enter the trade. I just mentioned you guys somewhere around here I can enter the trade, and I was just about to enter because the RSI was in my favor, but I did not enter in the next candle even. So this thing happens. No worries. We can just wait for another opportunity. So this is the opportunity as well for now, but let me see. Let me see the moment. Okay, for now, I think I can open the short position from here. If this candle closes green, I will enter into the short position. So let's do this. Okay, I am in this position now as well. So let's see if we can make some money from this candle. Truth, yes. And I am just going to put my TP at $60 above these empty wicks and plus the body of this candle. So yes, let's see if we can make some. Uh, our target is like $400 for now. Just 5% of my capital, which is very high. It's actually it's not recommended, but it's safe. Like if you want to make like thousands of dollar every day, but all you need to just have a bigger capital, and the bigger capital and the smaller amount of percentage can give you good money. If you calculate the dollars, if you want dollars, but I'm just about to talk about. Uh, I'm just encouraging you guys to increase the capital with the percentage of everyday raise. So yeah, that's how it works, and you can compound your daily profit into your. Yes, you can compound. Let me check. Let's see. Okay. Hmm. So the Bitcoin and the so what's going on with the Bitcoin? Let's see if we can make some and all right. Let's see where does it this trade takes us. More okay, let's keep it continue. Where does it takes us? So there is a chance this one can go somewhere around here, the mark, and definitely it's just going to fall back again with the big wicks, uh, because there is no volume in that. Uh, let's see if we can make. And what about the wet? Yes. Let's see the other point. Yeah, see guys, this is just coming back. So I can just put my stop loss somewhere around here, but I'm not putting my stop loss. I just want to see for now actually when it comes to the positive side. So I would definitely put my stop loss at the yeah, at the break even. So let's see if this gives us a chance. Meanwhile, let's see the wait. Yes, it's coming back and can hit our TP as well. So we are hoping for the best. All right. Okay, moreover, we are just hoping for the best. So just stay with me, guys. Let's see if we can grab the chance to make some profit today. Just we have to make like 400 plus dollars today. So that's the 5% of my portfolio. Just try to increase of your portfolio with small amount of percentage every day. 5% is way more than uh, the real time scenarios, of course, because if you do any business, there is no such a big ROIs in the businesses. In any kind of business. I'm not like pushing you guys to just do the, but that's what I have seen like people doing the trading stuff. But there is the more risk, the more reward. So it's very risky market. It's very volatile market. It goes up and down like very steadily. It can wipe you out and kick you out from the market in like nick of time. And if it can give you wealth like in very quick way as well. But all you need to do is if you want to make some money in a quick manner, but that there is no guarantee that you will stay for longer in the market. And if you follow your discipline and try to increase your wealth steadily, increasing like 2, 3, 4% every day, so yeah, definitely you can create your wealth. You can create good capital, good profile of your account. So let's see if we can see a chance to. Okay, should we put our stop loss or I think we should put our stop loss somewhere around. No, for now, let's wait if we can. Okay, so for now, yes, it's showing the good momentum for now. Let's see what happens with the truth trade. So, oh, our TP is just hit. You guys can see. Let me show you guys. Yeah, $63 with the short position of truth. I just got $63. Okay, that's a good sign. So yeah, you guys see this candle. We just entered in this candle. It's like 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes maybe max. Yeah, 5, 6, 7 minutes, and we just made a $60 today. 63, yeah, but I'm just going to mention $6. So okay, so that's how you take small amount of money. So I have like almost 1% of my profit today. So let me mention here on the screen. Okay, and we are just trying to increase our capital today up to $400. So yes, we can do. Yes, there are chances we can make more dollars, more percentage of my portfolio today. But always just keep yourself safe using your stop loss and set that the amount you can afford to lose. Like, okay, in one day I have made few dollars in start, so you can put your stop loss at the same amount every in every trade as well. So that can gives you sense of security. So yes, you can make some good money every day, but I'm not an expert. I'm just it's not a financial advice. Just uh, if you want to, if you want to just do your own research always, and just place the trade, and follow your discipline always. Okay, so let's see if we can. Okay, what happened with our the other trade? What was that? Yeah, what? Let's see. Uh, okay, so the position is open for now. Yes, it's just moving sideways in like 5, 6 minutes. These empty wicks are not the good sign actually. This could be the potential pushback from here to to the bullish side. But let's see if we can grab a chance. Okay, and now I am just going to let's see if we have a chance. All right, everybody. This one, th that's what I was just mentioning earlier. Like with these empty wicks are not the good sign for this trade as well. Okay, let's see. Yeah, definitely we will have a chance to close this trade. We can do the DCA from here. Moreover, yes, we can. Meanwhile, let's see the other pair. I was just about we just made a few dollars from here. Yeah, 50, $60. Yeah. Let's see if we can grab a chance to enter from. Okay, let's see another pair. Yeah, there was another pair well, yesterday. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it has a potential to go up. Yeah, sure. This pair gives got almost like 40 60 40, no, it just moved like 60% yesterday from so it gained a good volume yesterday. And if anybody could have like $100 open with that trade and open the long position, that could have make like 100 to what to $1,000 just in one trade. So yeah, this was the right uh time, but okay, no worries. We just want this one to come just around at 80 0.080 mark. I'm just going to draw the line here somewhere here. So if this one comes to this point, I will just open and a long position from here again. So let's see if we can be if we have if we got lucky to catch the position. All right. Moreover, what's going on with the other pair? Yes, this one. Yes, this one. The last. Yeah. Okay. So following by the RSI, we can perform the trade again in this pair now. I can open the short position from here because the RSI is just pushing above 70. So above 70 can gives you a good opportunity to perform that short trade. So yes, there is an empty wick. I am just going to open a short position, just opening the short position. So let's see if we can make some, and just going to put my TP somewhere around okay, $70. Let's see if we can make some $70 in this trade. Like maybe it could have been in three, four candles, maybe one candle, or maybe it can go wrong. Yeah. So it can go up definitely. That's the mark. That's the mark. And we are just waiting for this one to come back. Of course, it will come back. I will show you guys. Because the RSI is giving us the confirmation. So the RSI is a very good indicator. It gives you a good opportunity to understand the and to take the trade. Yes. So let's see if we can grab some money. Thank you for being online with my with me, guys. It encourages me to be online with you guys and teach you guys how to read the market, how to read the charts, and how to take the positions, how to open your position, how to use your margin, how to use your leverage, way to see your support and resistance. So yeah, thank you for being with me. Uh, all right. Meanwhile, let's see. Let's see. Yes, we are just waiting for. Okay. On the other hand, let's talk about something going on, what's going on in the market, and let's see the movement of BTC as well. So I'm just going to show you guys. Let me. Okay. Where, that's- okay, so you guys can see the movement there. It just came back. It can go up, yes, so it can, but it will definitely come back. We have the momentum of this coin for now. So it's falling back, of course. So let's see more. Let's see. Yes, just stay with me. Let me check for it. Okay, so we can just do the DCA because we are the short-term scalpers. So yes, we can do a short-term DCA from here. Um, in this trade as well in the other trade. So just if you are in this situation, if you are in such a situation and you are needed to perform the DCA, always just do it just for once and set your SL, of course. We are at the same amount of the profit I just want, but let me do the DCA from just a little bit up more. If it goes minus 100, I will do the DCA with the same amount of margin. So my position size would be double. So the tick size will also be the double. So yes, uh, let's see. Just go a little bit up so I can do the DCA. And yes, we have. Okay, meanwhile, yeah, guys, see it's the movement it's moving up, so we can perform the DCA. Okay, I just want to do DCA from here. It can go more quickly on the negative side as well. So, see, I have just done the DCA. My price just moved from here to here, and if it hits this point, I just missed a nick of time to take profit from here. But yeah, it happens. So just do the DCA for once only. Never do that again. So my tick size is 200 for now. My position size is 200 now, and I can close my trade to what how much should yeah minus $200 if I would have to if the momentum shifts from. So you should have an appetite to accept your loss as well because we are making the money from the market. Of course, someone is making, someone is losing. Yes, if you are losing, then someone is making. It's give and take. So yes, let's see if we can grab the chance to see. Yes, there is a chance. So the momentum is shifting from bearish to bullish, and we are at negative $50 for now. And if it falls to this point, though, so we would have make like $150. Okay, let's see where does it takes us. Oh, one other thing we can also do here. If we are stuck in the trade and we have just done the DCA and the price comes back to our uh, break even, we can close half of our like trade. So if if let's see if I see I am already on in the profit now, and my units are 47,000, so I can close half of it almost like somewhere around 2400. I'm just going to close 2400. So I'm just partially closing the trade. So that means my position size again turns to $100. So if it moves up, so definitely the price will move steadily, and I just moved my position from here to there. So yeah, it's a good thing actually. Moreover, I can just take the profit at the position, or I can do the DCA again. So technically, I have done not DCA for now at this point. So we can assume that we have just entered the position from here. Actually, it was just from here, but now it was somewhere around here. Yeah, we just entered the position here. and it no, we moved our price here and see, just assume just did not take this position, we are just entered at that point. So yes, let's see, let's take $50. So let's assume we can take, because I'm just seeing, I just want to see, I show you guys, that's the point where it has a support. It can go up, it can go up, definitely it can go up. But the RSI is here. RSI was in favor, but see, it's not always right. It happens almost 90% of the time you can make money, and just 10%, like the RSI was in favor, then it just went back a little bit, then went again to that point. So if we have entered in such a position, so of course we would be negative in that side. So yeah, uh, this happens in the market, and let's see. Yes, we if I just want to close this trade in positive, so yes, yes we can close this in the positive side for now. The moment is steady, so we are just waiting to grab our profit from this trade. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Yes, if we have a chance. It's just negative, so on the negative side. And now, see, guys, this is the support for now, actually. Same, my entry point is the support for now. See, the price came here, come here, and went back to there. Then it just falls back here. So there are big order blocks at this point, at this price action. So always see such a resistance. So this has a good support somewhere around here. So see the candles, the empty candles, and yeah, if it covers these order blocks, so definitely it's going to fall back. But it could have been a fake breakout. Sometimes one order block fills it, and then the buyers pushes back the market again. So yes. So in this kind, yes, you see, that's what I was talking about. I just mentioned in the previous sentence, like uh, some order blocks, just one or two order blocks fill from here and then goes back to, so the buyers are pushing this one to go up a little bit. Okay, let me check on the other screen if we uh okay, for now we are stuck in the trade for not stuck actually. Yeah, we are just waiting to take our share. All right. So yes, let's see. We had another trade. Okay, we are just waiting. I'm just waiting to close this trade actually. I just want to close this one. So let's see if it gives me an opportunity to close my trade or put my stop loss at the break even. So yes, it can happen, and we can put my stop loss somewhere at the but this movement is just because of the BTC. Yes, the BTC is moving from, yes, the BTC movement is just taking the price up for these candles actually, but all we need to do is to wait and see if we can. Now, at this point, we can do the DC again, and the price can move up somewhere around in between that. So if we do the same margin with DCA. So yes, yes, we can move our price, but no, let it go at the same amount of the TP. I just want the TP from the from this position, but let it go for now. And okay, let's see if it goes up or falls back. If I would have done the DCA, yes, I can close the trade at this point. We will do the DCA at negative 100. Yes, we will do it. So I can move my price up here somewhere in between the DCA and the actual price of the coin at that point. So let's see. And there's a shift in momentum. So, and we have opened the short positions from here, but the momentum was very clear at that point. Yeah, it will take maybe like few time. So all we need to do is just wait. Okay. And if you guys can ask me any question related to account creation, crypto market, BTC, market cap, fear index, greed index, anything, you guys can ask me in the comment section. I would definitely love to respond you guys. Thank you for being online. Yes, we can. And I always just mention that try to grow your capital in the percentage instead of seeing the dollars. Oh, yeah, that's the pump I just wanted. If it goes to negative $100, I will do the DCA again at this point. So, but just at this mark. If it goes to this mark, I will do the DCA. Yeah. So let's see if we can grab a chance. But these empty wicks has not a good sign. Okay, let's see if we can make some money. So our trade is in process. Yes, it is. And the market momentum is just shifting from bearish to bullish for now, actually. Okay, guys, I am just going to see what's the momentum of BTC for now. All right, all right, all right. Yes, here it is. Yeah, see the movement for now actually. Yeah, it has potential to come down, but maybe go a little bit up. Let me draw the resistance for now. So here would be the resistance for now actually. Somewhere around here. Yeah. So if it crosses this blue line, I will do the DCA so to move my price somewhere in between that. And if it crosses this blue line up, then it can go a little bit more up. Yes. So we are just doing a short-term scalping. So in short-term scalping, you always just need to close your trade like in very quick manners, quickly. So yes, let's see. All right, guys. So we have, you see the movement now. As I mentioned earlier, it can come back. It will come back definitely, because there is a big resistance on the top of that. So that resistance could lead us to the price to move back. Let's see if we can have a chance. Okay, okay, okay. If I would have done the DCA from here, I could have been in between somewhere there. I would have been in a positive state, but I want to do the DCA. Just don't rush for the trade actually. Uh, just wait, have some patience and see the movement. Uh, yes, it is. So crypto is growing very fast. So the market size is now, should not forget to mention, like it's above $3 trillion. It's a big market. And today, the big players were, one of the big players just mentioned like it could go like $100 trillion or maybe $1,000 trillion in like maybe in a decade. So yes, it can. It is possible. The economy of the world is growing very steadily, very quickly. So of course, it's like maybe one decade back we would have said no, that's not possible, but now it happens. When the BTC came into the when BTC was born, the people were not trusting on the BTC, the cryptocurrencies. So yeah, everybody was very scared, like it's a scam, it's a bubble. But see, this bubble went up to $4 trillion. So that, of course, that would not be a bubble, of course. So yeah, almost everyone in the world is just into the crypto. So yeah, that shows that that's not a bubble actually. So that's the future of finance, financial markets, and yes, it is. All right. And yes, we can see the moment. Yeah, it has the moment for now, the bullish moment, but our trade is short trade, so maybe we will be stuck for a few minutes. Maybe yes, we can. We will be stuck in there for a few minutes. So let's see. Okay, so it's moving very sidewise. So yes, let's see if we can have a chance to close the trade. Yes, of course we will have. Um, okay. What do you think, guys? Like, should I do the DCA now, or should I wait for this line to break, so for this moment to break this line, so to break the resistance. There is a resistance somewhere around here, but it's not for, it would not definitely stay for longer. That's the short period of time. For the short period of time, yes, here is the resistance. And we are just narrow down, we are just trying to narrow down the resistance and support and the movement of the coin for now. Let's wait and see if we can have a chance. See, guys, the moment is showing it's going up. So yes, these these kind of candles shows there's a, that's the resistance point for now. And there is a buyer's pressure, because if you guys see the momentum, it's the bullish momentum, and this period of time for now, yes, it is. And let's see where does it takes us. And if it, yeah, see, uh it crosses this resistance line. It could have been a fake breakout like this empty wick, but if it crosses this one, then I am just going to do the DC again. So let's wait. Okay, yeah, it just hit the line. And so we have not done the DC yet actually for this one. Okay, and see, it just moved back. I am just waiting for this one, this line. If it crosses this line, I will do the DCA. Okay, okay, okay. Let's see, the price is just falling back, and we are just we are just waiting to take my to close my position actually for now. So let's see. All we need is just this kind of three, four, five candles more, but it can be possible. See these, it just went there. Then there was a clear rejection, and just big red wick and candles gave like in 3, 4, 5 minutes. It could have hit our TP as well. The pattern could have repeated itself, but not always. So, and it can, if it goes up, so at from you assume that we are stuck somewhere around here, and the price came to this point. And if we do the back test now, uh, the price came there, and we took our entry from here, then we did the DCA and took our price somewhere around here, and now the price is moving here, and we are just few ticks away from the this position, and the price jumps back to this position. So it is possible. Yeah, that's the market movement. And for now, we are just in the same position now. So yes, it can go up, or maybe the pattern could have repeated itself as well. So there are multiple patterns. You cannot like judge it's very hard to sometimes understand like what kind of pattern it's moving. Like it's the bearish, but overall momentum is momentum. Overall movement can show you, it can gives you an idea that it's going up or down for that specific period of time. So yes, let's see the 5 minute time frame for this one as well. So yeah, the 5 minute time frame is uh showing it's going up maybe, but it happened like somewhere around here. It went back from there to there, then it goes back and went to there, this point, and then now it's on the same situation right now again. So yes, it is possible. It can go up. Yes, it can go up the moment if it follows the trend. Uh, so let's see. Okay, so just now we are stuck at the position. All I just need to do is to wait and see. Let's see if it goes right. Okay. Yes. Mm, okay. For now. See, there is a moment on the upside, and I'm just going to see if we can. We just need a confirmation. Okay, okay, okay. All right, guys. So the price is shifting, the momentum is shifting as we are. We just want to we just want to do the DCA for now actually. So I just don't want to close the trade for now. I just want to see the DCA if we can do the DCA from here. Yes, we can do. Yes, we can. And but just I just want this one to just cross this line actually. Uh, let's wait and see. Okay. So that's you guys can see the blue line. The blue line is the resistance point at this one. When you start doing trades, so yeah, you will understand like where is the resistance at, and where is the support. So you guys would have a very good understanding that you can assume that this is the support and this is the resistance. Resistance is means like there are big sellers order block over here. So they are resisting the price to go up actually. Uh, there are big order blocks that allows you to the price to go down, and if the price go on the lower side and tries to push back up, that's called the support. So yes, support is the price where the buyer block order block is there, and resistance is like where the price is where the seller's order block is placed, so that does not allow price to go up. So yes, so yeah, we could have do the DCA, and the price would have been somewhere around here, and I would be in positive now. But let's see if it goes back and gives us some profit today. Let's see. All we need to do is to just wait for like short period of time maybe. On the other hand, see now the price came to this point and went back. There are buyers order block over here, and that buys from here to went up, and the coin is just moving at that level actually. No worries, this happens. Mm, okay. So see, here is the position. Here is the point where we can do the DCA. So I'm just going to do the DCA from here at the same amount of margin. And I just did the DCA, and the price is just moved from there to there. It can go a little bit up, yeah, but it could have been a fake breakout, or it cannot be. And it will give us an opportunity to close our trade, half of the trade. So gradually we can shift our price to the upper side. So actually the market momentum, because of this BTC, the momentum is just shifting from bearish to bullish. Yeah, let's see what can we do from here. We can do DC again, but not recommended. Always do DC for once only. And if trade goes to negative $200, I will close my trade and book my loss today. So this happens. We have made this money from the market. So in today's trade, we are just learning like we can close the loss. We can book the loss as well. But how much loss we want to book, we can book like $200. It's just like, yeah, 2.5% of my portfolio. So yes, there are profits and losses, and all we need to just set how much loss I can book. Let's see. Stay with me. So in today's trade, we are just learning how to accept the loss. Yeah, this happens. So of course, every day is not a profitable day, or we can just book $100 loss. Maybe, yeah, we can, but we have an appetite of booking my stop loss at somewhere around 200. So yes, 200 is my stop loss. I can book my I can book my loss at $200. So I can manually close my trade. No need to just put my stop loss. And if we see the movement of the market, yes, we can do the DC. No, not DC again. We have done already. We don't need to do the DC again. But the price is very very near, because my position size is very big. So that's why the one tick shows you big movement, big difference in the price. So tick value is just like 20 cents for one tick. So yeah, it's a big like tick size. So yes, let's see. Let's see where does it goes, where does it takes. And if we can book our loss from here, yes, we can book our loss of $100 and see the movement of BTC. Let me see. Yeah, BTC is just moving sideways. I don't know what's going on with that. Let me see. Okay. So see, the momentum is shifting for the short period of time, but these small candles cannot make a good uh, impact on the moment actually. Uh, we need. The RSI is, let me show you guys for the 55 minutes time frame. The RSI is already on the top side. So yes, it can come back, but we cannot we cannot confirm it yet. Um, these small candles are not the good sign actually. These big candles are the also not good sign for, of course, we are in the short position. So all I need to do, just want to just close the 50% of my trade at the break even. So let's see if we can get a chance to close half of my trade. Yes, to minimize my position size. Okay, no worries. I think it will take some time to close our trade. Yes, sometimes it happens. And and just fall a little bit back. These empty wicks from the bottom is not a good sign. Yes, it's not a good sign. It is not a good sign, but maybe it can come back to that point, and we will close half of our trade at least. Okay. So yeah, CPI data is just coming in like few minutes, in few hours. So yeah, if expected, if we inflation rate is expected like to 3%, up to 3%, yes, it can affect the market. And okay, we are just waiting to see if we can. Okay. Okay, yes. So the movement is just, as I have mentioned, these small candles are not a good sign. So It can it can be very dangerous for us this moment now. So we are stuck in this trade actually. Let's see if we can close that trade. Okay, so yes, it is moving very slowly and steadily at the upside up. It has a moment to go a little bit up. Yes, it is. So let's wait and see. We can close our trade, or we can just close half of our trade. For sure, definitely, it's falling back somewhere, but not for now actually. So the price movement is just shifting with a bullish momentum. But if we do some back test, let's do some back test from here, and if we see, let me see if should we do another DCA? No, we should not do another DCA. We need to wait for this one to not now actually. Let's see. Meanwhile, let's see another pair actually. This pair is very not sure it will go up, but the momentum shows. Let's observe this one actually. This coin meanwhile. On the other hand, our trade is already stuck, so we don't need to worry about that. We will definitely close it in positive profit. So yes, meanwhile, the moment of this coin is showing. Um, it will go a little bit more up. Then we can perform the short trade. I think we can enter the short position from here as uh, but these kind of movements does not gives you a clear opportunity or chance to understand where it is going. It was just falling back from, like, if you do the back test from here, it just fall back down here, down here, then it went back up here and just falling down and going up. Maybe it can go up, yes, it can, but yes, it has potential to go up. So today is it's not a good sign for the market for us to understand the situation now. Okay, all we want to do is to just wait for. Okay, let's see what happened with the word. Yeah, yeah. See, guys. It went up. It's just following the momentum of the market now. The market, all the alts, most of the alts are just showing the same momentum. Um, but overall, market is not in the favor of long positions. Yes, not for so long actually. Maybe it can go a little bit more up, but definitely it's going to fall back. And we want to make $170 from this. And it is possible. Let's see if I think so. Today we should talk about more other stuff. Uh, all right, let me tell you guys one more thing. So yes, we are just I'm just going to update you guys about okay. Okay, there are like different types of wallets in every exchange, and we can use like that how to trade with that wallets. Like one is called spot trading. So it's a most basic thing, and it actually if you buy the crypto any coin, for example, let's you have bought one BTC and it owns into your wallet and and you will get the profit when the price goes up and if price goes down until unless you are not selling any of your coin you are not in any loss but that's the beauty of actually spot but you cannot gain like a very good profit out of it but for the very good profit out of if you want to make with the spot buying yes you can do but for that you need a bigger capital so on the bigger capital you can do that you can close every positive trade right away and make small amount of profit and you can wait if the price comes down so you can just take again so yeah that's how it works. Spot trading. So spot means you own any coin and you can just keep it in your wallets. If the price goes on the other side, other way around, or if it goes wrong side, if you buy a coin and price is just falling down, so you can wait. The price would definitely come back at some point of time. But spot trading, if you want to do day trading on spot, that's not recommended actually. You cannot make very big money from that. So you can do that, but by using like big capital. So yes, that's called spot, and there is futures and derivatives like futures trading. What we are doing, it's a contract based trading actually and because you don't own any coins you are just betting the price to go up and just betting the price to go down and just signing the contract that's contract based actually uh, the price movement of the futures so actually you practically don't own any coin but you just bet on that so that's the future actually and there's a margin trading where you use the margin, you borrow funds from exchange. I think the future is also the same, just like margin trading. It's kind of same thing. But for example, you use 10x leverage or you allow for example, I said tell you if you have like $100 and you can grow if you're using 10x leverage, so that means the exchange is giving you $1,000 so high reward, of course, it's highly, extremely high risk thing. And yes, these are the major trading things actually. And moreover, yeah, for the tools, if you want to use the tools for trading, for you use RSI, EMA, MA, or and yeah, these are the major the indicators you can use to understand the movement of the market. And yes. And see, guys, the price is just coming down. We can just close the trade, but I just don't want to close the trade for now. I just want to keep it continuing. Or maybe should I close half of it? Yes, I can close half of it. So let me see if I can close it. Um, let it come to the break even at least. Yes, it's on the break even. It's on the positive side. So I'm just going to partially close this one, 23,000 almost. Yes, 23,000. I'm just going to partially close my trade. It just went back a few dollars, but no worries. I just want to close that trade and partial. Let's. Oh, the price just moved back. No worries, we will wait. Okay, so the price is just moving a little bit up. Then it will definitely come down. If it will come down, we will close half of our position, so we can do the DC again. So at this point, we are not uh, on the same position. If the price goes a little bit more up, we can do the DC again. So price moves up. So of course the coin will come back to that position as well, uh, quickly. So that's the beauty of DCA, but all you need to do just understand the movement of price. So yes, see, I have just closed half of my position, and I could have been in positive like $50 for now, but I have just closed half of my position, and we'll wait. Let's try to catch at as maximum as possible with this trade. So yes, see. If it will go up somewhere at that point as well, again, I will do the DC again and try to move my price up because we have opened a short position. We are just trying to make like 80, $90 from this price. So let's see if we can make a small amount of money from this one. So yes, we can make. Okay, we will wait and see if we can grab this opportunity. Okay. Let the price go up. No, we don't need to worry about it. So I think I should have to keep it continue for the rest of the session today. I just want to keep this trade to and my stop loss is $200. I will close it manually after doing the DC. So technically we are our position is for $100 for now. We just want to make $100, almost $100. You guys see, if I would not have done the DCA, the price, my previous price was here, somewhere around here. Then it moved up here, and then we did the DCA, then the price moved here. So that's the beauty of DC actually, but not recommended. It increases your position size. So always be safe. Try not to increase your position size. It can be very dangerous for sometimes. Yes. Uh, Moreover, please follow my channel, subscribe my channel. I would definitely be very grateful to you guys for you to stay with me and see my live trades every day. We just start making profits 3 to 5% of my portfolio every day. So we are just increasing our portfolio 3 to 5% every day instead of double it in just like a single day. So don't do that. Not recommended. It's a very volatile market. Just be very safe. Moreover, what's going on with the movement of this coin? If the price goes somewhere around here again, I will do the DC and just move my price somewhere around here. So if it falls back again, we will take the big profit. Yes, we will. I just want to keep this trade continue at the end of the session. So wherever it would have been at that point of time, I will close it, whatever it's in loss. In loss, we are just open to accept a $200 loss for today in this trade. And moreover, we are accepting the profit as much as possible at the end of the session. So let's see if we can keep it continue. Let's see if it allows us to make some profit. Okay, so for now, I'm just going to remove the TP. Let's see how much money we can make from this. I could have opened $200 trade. Yeah, 200, of course, multiple amount can give you the multiple profit, of course. But yes, the bigger the position, the bigger the risk. So just be safe, guys. Try to follow your discipline. Don't be very try be patient while performing the trades. And we are just going to see. Okay, so let the price move a little bit down more. Meanwhile, let me check if I can see another pair to perform the trade. Okay, 104 to and 8104 to and 8 and see the price is moving up. Let it go. No worries. We are just waiting for this to come down. Six, 413. Okay, so we are at break even now. Let's see. Yeah, see, there is a rejection at this point. 5, 3, 312. Yes. Let's see if we can make a good. Okay, so the price is shifting, the momentum. 387, 387, 3. see the movement. Okay, let's wait and see if this one comes back into. Should we book $30 profit? No, I don't want to. Yeah, let's wait and see. 226 one. All right, here we go. If the price falls down, all I need to just book. So we have just made a $60 today. I just want to make uh, okay, $120 from this trade. Just we are seeing this candle. So uh let this one keep continue for the long duration. Let's do it. Yes, we have another trade open. Yes, let's see if we could have make some profit out of it. What was that? The truth? Okay, so I just did the DC of this coin, so I am in profit of $96 for now. So yes, we can close it or we can book $300 from this trade as well. So I think it will go a little bit up, maybe, but yes. Okay, let this SL to be hit. Yes, maybe it will hit my SL again. And what about the wet? The wet is in $20 positive. I just want to make sure to make $400 today. Okay, so so the wet is just moving upwards. Maybe yes. Let it go. I just want to move my price somewhere more up. If it goes down, up, then I will do the DC again at this point. At this point, I just want to keep this trade continue for the longer period. Yes, we can see. You guys will see how much money I can make from this. Uh, I will do the DCA or book my stop loss of $200. So let's see. Whichever comes first in today's session, we will try to see where does it goes. Let's see we can if we can make some money from this one. Yes, let me see. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. All right, guys. Okay, let's see if we can make so yeah, see the movement of this coin for now. Actually, it has a potential to come down because the momentum is shifting from here, and yes, we have a chance to yes, we have a chance to see if we can if we do the DC again, we will let the price to go up somewhere around here. So if the price goes somewhere around here, we will do the DC and to lift up our price in between somewhere around here, 21,300, somewhere there. Let's see if we can grab this opportunity. I just want to keep this continue until the end of this session. So let's see if this happens. And let's see. Let's see. The price is moving. We're $35, $40, but it has a small resistance somewhere from support from here. So there is a support, and at this point, where my cursor is right now, and if it goes back, it can go a little bit up, then it will come back because the momentum is shifting from this time. And yes, it can come to my TP as well, but that totally depends. Uh, If it moves, yeah, see guys, this is the support line. Support I have just told you about. There is a support here. If it falls, if it crosses this mark like 0.21024, then of course it starts falling from that mark. So let's see if it crosses 0.210. Okay, let's see. Let's see we can if we can have, but that's the support I'm just talking about. If it's not crossing this one, so yes, come it can go back up a little bit. Okay, 5 4. So we are just waiting to make some profit today, just maximum 5% of my portfolio. Let's say minimum 4%. 3% is good, okay? 3 to 5% in between that. So try to compound your money instead of l losing all of it. So just try to pick small profits and play with that. And just right after creating, like after getting some profit, just withdraw your capital from the market. So that gives you a sense of security at least, like you have your money back in your accounts, so you can invest or use it somewhere else instead of if you lose everything in the market, so you would definitely feel not better. Yes, of course, it's a bad thing. So yeah, this is the thing we always encourage. I always encourage to everybody, if you are new or you are using or you're doing the trade with the bigger capital or any amount of capital. So first of all you need to do is just to withdraw your capital. After just withdrawing your capital, you will feel more secure. Of course, you have your money back, and while you have your money back, of course, you can play very safe, of course. Uh, but the money you have made, it's yours money. You trade, you perform your money, that's your profit. But of course, the money you made from the market, market can take it back. Of course, yes, it's a market. It's a very volatile market. Um, and if you want to play safe, if you want to play safe, you want to you just don't want to lose money. And if you and you and the trading is not your like day income. So it's if you have an extra money, so yes, you can invest in spot buying. So you can buy the good projects in spot buying and just keep them there. If it goes up, so you will get profit. You can book your profit. And if it goes wrong and you buy at the higher price and the price is going down, so all you need to is just wait. The price will come back again sometime. So sometimes, yes, you can wait. You could have wait like for months or maybe years. Yes, but I always mention invest the money you can afford to lose. So in spot, of course, you are not losing the money until unless the crypto is just vanishing away from the earth. Of course, it's not going to. But yes, um, that's that's the new era of financial like finance. Yes. So. So as I mentioned earlier, the people were not like into the crypto when the crypto was just the blockchain technology was into into forming, and the people were saying the Bitcoin is bubble and stuff like that. And now it went to $4 trillion market, but now it's like on $3 trillion market. So $3 trillion is a big money, of course, and it can grow up to like hundred or maybe thousands of $1 trillion in future, because now the more people are into it and more people are trusting it. The people used to call it bubble, of course, they are just trying to follow. Now they are in the favor of Bitcoin. I have seen a lot of people, like the big people, they initially were just talking about the Bitcoin is just a scam or just a bubble. It will burst someday and take all of the people's money. Of course, it's never gonna happen. It's the blockchain technology, and that's now traceable. So so yes, and the people used to call it that people will use it for money laundering and stuff like that. So yes, of course, it's not gonna happen like in every country now. The countries on the government level, they are just trying to create the policies on that. So yes, it's never gonna happen. It's the future of finance actually. It's the future of uh, finance system. Yes, it is, and of course the adaptability is not that much, but it's gaining the good pace now. Initially when it was launched, of course, it was every new thing takes time uh, for people to trust. Now the more people are into it, of course, $3 trillion. Of course, the people are investing. They trust it. Of course, it's trustable and it's traceable. Moreover, yes. Let's see. All right. So we are like there are different kind of trading. If you do trading, you are doing futures trades. Of course, it's kind of uh, it's kind of trading stuff. It's not the investing. If you want to invest, you can invest in spot. And if you want to make daily money, so yes, you can do the trading. So there are different type of tradings. There are scalping, like what we do. We just seconds we just open the trade in seconds and minutes. Yes. But the skill level for this one is, of course, you need to be expert, and it's a very the risk level is very high, of course, because the price is shifting like in the nick of time. You open the trade and you close the trade, and it's a very high risk. And the day trading, hourly trading, you can see with the hourly movement of the coin. That's called day trading. So in the day trading, yes, you can. It's high risk. It's not very high like the scalping, but it's high risk and still high reward. It's but all you need to do just understand the pattern, understand the movement, understand the volume of the coin, of anything, any coin you want to invest. And moreover, there are swing trading. For that, you need to wait for days or sometimes weeks. And I think on the beginner level you can do that, and it's a very medium risk. Like you can see the movement of months. Okay, this month was down, this month was up, or this week was down, this week was up. So yes, we can take the long position or short position following by the trend. So yes, it is possible. Moreover, all you need to do, on every beginner level you can do that. So yes, you can do it. And moreover, yeah, that the spot trading, yeah, spot trading you can hold for long period of time, for maybe years or months sometimes. So you have invested in the coin and the coin is just moving up or going down. You don't need to worry about it because you are not, it's not your kitchen income and or your the first income stream. Always just consider it like it's for the longer period of time, just it's the long-term investment. So yes, it has potential to make money. Okay, guys, you guys have any question, you guys can write me in the live chat comment. Moreover, thank you so much for being online with me. Uh, yes, we are just going to make 3 to 5% of my portfolio today. So my portfolio has grown up to how much? $8,000. I started with you guys from the first live stream with $1,000. And yes, oh, my other trade, I think my TP is hit. Let me check. Mm, yeah, oh wow, we have made $300 in this trade. Okay, our short position for truth is closed. Sorry, we just missed. We were just having this screen open. Sorry, I just missed it. So we have made $317 on that. Wow. So sometimes it gives you surprises. Yes. You guys see that's today at just like 3 minutes back, I just missed to see the position. Okay, we have made $320 was that. I have just closed half of my position of this coin, the coin which is open now. Okay, so yes, we have made 390, 20, almost $340 and $60 this I just mentioned. So I'm going to mention $320 this and 20 this because I have okay, three this. Okay. So let's update our screen. I think I have achieved my daily target and I have achieved it. Yes, let me see. Let me update the screen for you guys. So okay, okay, okay. Yes, we have made today's profit. Yes, yes, we have made dollar 20 and dollar 320. 320. Yes, we have made 400 already. Wow. So 400 is 5% of my portfolio. Okay. So if I close this trade, I am $765 positive at this position now. Yes, I can close it. I can make $65 on top of $400 as well. So yes, we have achieved our daily target in like 2 hours. So sometimes all you need to do is just to wait, just to see the moment, just to wait and relax and see if the market is in favor of you. Yes, you can make a good money. Yes, we have made. Okay, okay. So do you guys have any question or or if you guys just watching, yeah, a lot, no, few people are watching. You guys can suggest me, should I keep my trade open or should I close it? Or let's see if we can keep it continue. Should I close it on $50? Don't uh, always follow your discipline. Don't try to, my discipline was to make 5% of my trade, my portfolio. So I have made it already. So my portfolio has grown to, let me show you guys. Yeah, 8,700. Okay, so that's the realized profit we have made on top of $1,000 in like yeah, 18 days. I have started on 1st of this month, 1st December. So yes, it is possible. Okay, so we can close our trade over here, or we just want to keep it continue. I just want to keep it continue for maybe some. So let's keep it continue till the end of my uh, session, today's live session. Let's see. And all right. So we are going good for now. Okay. Yes, we have a chance to. Okay. So the price movement of this coin is shifting. No worries. We are still in profit. So for today we have already made $400. We can put my stop loss. I can put my stop loss at break even as well, but I don't want to put it. I just want to keep it continue. I just want to do the DC again if the price goes up. So let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. We have made a good profit today. Okay. So yes, let's see how much money can we make from this. All right. Okay. Yes. Okay. All right, guys. That's the real-time trades I am just performing today. I do that always from last month almost. It's been a month. And thank you so much, guys, for trusting me and subscribing my channel. Uh, and let's make uh, a good community together. So we can grow together, we can perform live trades. I can perform the live trades for you guys. So you guys can uh it's just for the teaching purposes. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not an expert in in crypto and stuff, everything. No, I'm not. It's just to for you guys to understand the back trends, to understand the chart and the fundamentals of the market. Yes. So every time I mention this, yes, just it is just do your own research while performing any trade. Okay, so the price is moving, price is shifting, so we are into the trade already. Let's let this hit our TP, or maybe not, but it is possible. Yes, it is possible, and the price is moving. Let's see if it hits our TPA today. As I just mentioned yesterday that I will definitely try to open a trade and just want to keep it continue for the day for the end of the session. So this is the trade I have just got into and just trying to, yeah, if it closes in negative, I will book my loss to $200 and the TP is already set already. Or I think we should place our stop loss. I'm not sure yet actually. Or should I book my profit today over here? So yes, we can book our profit. Okay, so let's book the profit now and we'll see if we can get the trade again. So I am just going to, not sure actually, can go up or maybe it can go down. The RSI and the EMA is also showing the momentum as well. So yes. All right, I'm just going to book my profit to $55, maybe 55. Yeah, $60 almost. Let's book the profit to up to $60. Okay, dude, so just going to close my trade to, guys, you guys can suggest me what to do. Should I place my SL to my break even or I just should have to keep it continue for the end of session or put my stop loss at the break even? So yes, you guys can tell me. I would love to hear from you guys. So the price is already on 60. Yes, I can book. Okay, so I'm just going to book my profit to $65. And here we go. So $66 if you guys can see. Yeah, 65. I'm just going to mention 65. So my portfolio has started grown from like 803 8,300 to 800 800 now. So I have made a small amount of almost yeah, I am just going to mention $60. Yes. So I have made $460 today. That's totally fine. We have achieved our target. So always set your target and try to achieve it. And moreover, don't fall for every trade. Just focus on the, yes, focus on the trade you want to get and just uh, go after it and just If you're not putting your stop loss, try to do the isolated trade if it goes wrong. So only that amount of trade you open with, that amount of margin, the trade you open with will go instead of losing your portfolio. So yes, that's how it works. Crypto, that's the beauty of crypto actually, I must say. Okay, so here we have closed our previous trade and it went back up again. So yeah, we had a short. I did just enter in at this position and just did the DCA up here. So just did the DCA for once. The price went again against my trend, against my trade, but this could have happened. So now I can enter the short position again. But let's see if we can get the trade again. Okay, okay. Okay, for now, let's do something. All right. All right. So, what do you think, guys? There is a potential for at this point, but these small wicks doesn't show a good sign from here. Uh, it can go up. Yes, it can because these small candles. There's a uh, pressure from in these candles, but these empty wicks can confirm us. Like, let's see this candle. What does this candle shows us? I just have drawn this one like uh, support at the very right position. You see, this was the support for today at this point of time. So let's see if we can make some money from here. Yes, we can. See, that's the potential I was telling about. That there's a support somewhere around here. There's the order block, but let's see where does it takes us. It can go up, it can go down. That's a crypto. Anything can have happen. Anything can be happen here. Yes, anything. Okay, so all I need to do, I just want to do another trade. Okay, meanwhile, let's talk about something else. So what's going on with the BTC? Let's see if something is going on. I think there's a big movement in the market. Let me see. Yeah, BTC just moved to 80. Wow. Yeah, 88,000. So yes, you guys can see the big wicks. These big wicks can create a chaos in the market sometimes. All you need to do is just be very careful. Well, I think the CPI news must have been. Let me check. What just happened? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. You guys can see the movement of BTC now. That's a price shift at this point. Such a big movement in the BTC. Okay, okay. All right. All right, guys. Let me check. What just have happened in the market? Let's see. See the wicks of BTC. BTC just hit 88, 585 just in the, and even the gold is moving in the same pattern. Yeah. Let's see the square. What's going on? Everybody. Yes. The okay, well, there was one more news, like the North Korean hackers just stole $2 billion of cryptocurrencies in 2025. Yeah, the method of stealing was just like crazy. So the loss was of total. Hmm. Yeah, the loss from January to early December exceeded 3.4 billion. Yeah, according to like uh, the latest report. Yeah, this is they try to like create small thefts throughout the year. So the total amount of the money have lost have $3.4 billion. So it's a big money. So this could have shake the market as well. Yes, it can. And so what we can do, we can take the, let me check, guys. I am just checking the momentum of this one right now. Gold is just shaking now. Gold just has a great shift of momentum. It was just falling to 303,535 and just went back like 3047. It's a great like jump in today's. Okay. So yes, it's still going up. Okay. This happens in the market. So all you need to do is be very careful and stay away from the market if there are big movements coming in the market. So always stay calm, stay relaxed, don't take the position if there are big movements in the market. Always be safe. Yes. And there's a big shift in the gold price movement. So let's see where does it goes. I think gold will hit the all-time high again, maybe. Yes, it is possible. All right, let's see where does it goes. Okay, moreover, yes. So overall, so let's talk about the trending market, trending coins of today. Uh, so today, of course, Bitcoin is always on the top as always, and there is EGR. That's a coin that ranked 749 in the coin ranking, and let's see what's the project actually. Why is that the top trending coin? Let me check. I will tell you guys. So yeah, it's last 3 hours search data of the Bitcoin ERGO and Toncoin. So this can gives you a great opportunity to understand the movement of that coin specifically. That's what's going on. The people are searching for that coin specifically. So you can have a better understanding like what's going on. Like if I'm telling about the coin ERG or something like that. So it has a flexible blockchain protocol designed for developing decentralized applications. So yeah, it's a new project, something like that. Maybe not the new project, but the white paper and the people are showing interest for this coin as well. The coin which have the strong back that could lead us to give an opportunity to yeah give an opportunity to take an eye on it on that. So yes, the coin is an old coin, but people are searching for it. That means there is something big coming in the market. So yeah, it's registered on most of the exchanges, not on every exchange actually. Okay, so Ton is also always most of the time people used to look on that. It's a new coin actually. It's not the no, it's not the new coin actually. It was yeah. Ton has potential to go up. Today it went to wow, the great jump. Let's see if on what exchanges does it have the markets? Yes, on every big exchange it has its presence. Yeah, that's right. Okay, Let's see another coin. I have just figured out another coin for you guys to understand. Let's see if we can take the trade in that. That's a ton. T-O-N. Okay, so here is the movement of this coin, and it's going crazy from last. Wow, it has potential to go up. Okay, it just followed. Wow, I think it's on the lower side already. Let's see the 1 day time frame of this one is. Yes, it's on the lower side already. Yeah, these kind of coins can give you a good profit if you do like long-term trading and just put some money in that coins, but on or not in futures, always in spot buying. So always try to catch such coins. See, it's just falling down. It went back up, but yeah, when it launches from that point, like a year back almost, yeah, and once there is a big volume in the coin, it could give you a good. But always search for always for read their research paper if you want to sorry, white paper if you want to invest for the longer period of time. Always do that. Moreover, yes. Okay, guys. So let's take the trade for this one. See the 1 minute time frame. See that it was going crazy. It just moved up and yes. So what do you think? The RSI is showing that we can place the short order from here. So, but the momentum of the coin is shifting from like it's the momentum showing that it's going maybe way more up, but I'm not sure for now. Let's see. It's going up. So yes, it can go up and we can wait. We can wait. We should wait actually for this. See, the movement of this coin is going up, and I am just going to see if we can open a trade. Yes. No, this coin is moving already very up. So we are not going to just enter the position for now. I think we should stay away for now. Yes, we should stay away for now actually. It can come back a little bit, but will go up because the potential of this coin is shifted to move a little bit up. Maybe like if we do the back test somewhere, it was just falling down. It just went back up. See, sorry. Oh, sorry. Okay. So yes, these kind of coins can give you good money, but I must say for now, yes, we can open a short position, but it's still doubtful, so I'm not sure about that. Let's take another trade in any other coin. The previous coins we have already set, we have seen their patterns. Yes, for example, this coin. Okay, let's see. What is it? See the RSI. Or say let's say the because we while you use the short-term scalping, always use 5 RSI to length hai, you have to just use 5. So yes, it can give you because we are the short-term scalper, so always scalp for uh to see the previous 5 candles movement. So in short-term scalping, always go for that. So I have set the value of to 5 to see if the price is moving up or down. So let's see. Okay. All right, guys. All I just want to do is to take another trade, but there is no chance for now, actually. All we need to do is to just wait and see if we can take another opportunity in that. Let's let's wait for this one to come down a little bit so we can enter the position. Let's see if we can have a chance to make some of gold has just shifted to the bullish momentum. Yeah, it just shifted like in the nick of the time, like it was just falling down, 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 and just shifted to today's time frame. So you can see, you guys can see on any platform. Yes. Okay, I am just waiting for this coin to uh break from somewhere around here or somewhere around, yeah, here. So that's the support and resistance for now, actually. If you guys can see, that's the support. Here we can draw the, if we take the longer, and here is the resistance. That's the bigger side. Or all right, but we can withdraw. We can draw that. But let's see if we can follow. All right. So it is stuck at somewhere around there. It could have go way up more. And let's see if we get a chance to if we can get a chance to take the long trade for now. Maybe, yes, it could have been. See, that's what I was talking about. I will enter the long position at okay. So I have opened and I'm just going to open the order. So let's see if we can make some of few of the dollars from that point. Let's see. Okay, just fall a little bit down and yes. Okay, okay. I will enter the trade from here, I think. Yes, we can use $200 margin for 500x of these. I'm just going. I just want to go enter the trade just because just seeing these empty wicks. That means it has potential. Yeah. See, guys, these are the clear sign for short-term scalping. You just get into the on just a click to enter the position and just take small amount of profit like in two, three, four candles and just close your trade. That's one of the thing actually, but always don't fall for every candle. Just see the RSI always. So if RSI gives you a clear understanding, so yes, you can do that. If the RSI is not giving you indication, please stay away from that. Of course, you should stay away from that. And see now it's just moving sideways. It's just stuck at the position, and we are just going to see if I can grab an opportunity. Oh, we just missed the nick of the time. That's totally fine. Yeah, it happens always. No worries. We will take the position again. Okay. So for now, things are just not cleared. Maybe. Yes, we can enter the position from. Let's see if we can get a chance. Let's see. It's just stuck. See the candle movements, previous candles movements. So yeah, previous candle movement were very good, and now it's just stuck at just some point, which is not clear. The RSI, the yeah. This happens, no worries. Yeah. Okay, okay, okay. There is a small moment. We can wait and see if we can take small amount of profit in this trade as well. So we are in the position now, and the moment is showing the potential of this coin. I think I have. All right, guys. Let's wait. See the movement now. Actually, the previous movement, if you see, there was the big movements, and now it's the movement is very steady. Uh, of course, it can create. All right, let's see how much money we can make from this one. Meanwhile, let's see another coin which we were previously trading. Truth. Yes, we can take the long position in that. What do you think, guys? Should we take the long position from here? It's just at the same position now. I think we need to wait for some time. We should wait for some time. Let's see where does it goes. Okay. Okay, let's see what happened with that. This one. Okay. This gives us clear indication to open the short position from here. But we are just 2 minutes late in this position. So we will wait, of course. Yes, we will wait to see to get the confirmation. Okay, okay, okay. Here is a chance for us to take the short position from here. If RSI goes above that level. So let's see if it goes. If RSI goes above 60, 70, we can open the short position. Yes, we can. We can open the short position from to see the momentum as well. So if this goes up and went back at certain point, then it goes up again. So let's see, the RSI gives us an opportunity to enter the position now, maybe or maybe not. Okay. On the other hand, yes, I think we should. Yes, we have a chance. We have a chance to open the short position. I'm just going to open the short position from here. Okay, so we are in the position now. Let's see where does it takes us. So I'm just going to put my TP somewhere around here. So let's see if we can make another $60. So we already have made like $460 today. Let's see if we can make 500 today. Okay, I'm just not going to put my stop loss because we will do till the end of the session of this trade. So I just want to keep it continue for the longer period of time, and I can book my loss to $200. So let's see if it gives us chance. Yes, it can. Yes, there is a chance for us to make the profit from this. Let's see. Stay with me. So guys, see now the moment is shifting from, yeah, it's following the it is following the pattern. So let's see if it hits our TP or not. Okay, so the price movement is just steady. So we are just waiting to see if we can make small amount of profit. So we are still 27, 20. Yeah, I think yes, we are $30. Yes, already we're at 460. So technically we are on 400, $500 now, and I think our TP will hit if the next candle would go in the favor. And 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 no, not yet. Let's see. Let's see if we can take some money. And yes, this is just about to hit. Yes, yes, this is just about to hit. And we are just about to hit our TP. Yes, we have made a small amount of profit just by using 100 leverage. So yeah, using my 100 margin and made $60 more. So that's the beauty of you when you take the position at the right time. So it always not always happens. Always you need to be very careful. So yeah, $62 more. So yes, we have made a $520 today almost. Okay, okay. Yes, I should not have to forget like another $60. Why I'm just going why just taking $60? I don't know. I'm just using small margin, that's why maybe. Yes, definitely it is. Okay, so we have achieved our target. We have achieved our target already, but I have made another extra small amount of money. See, guys, while just hitting my TP, it just went back to its position again. So this happens in the market, and that's called ultra short-term scalping. We just entered the position and waited for like 5, 6 minutes and hit our TP. So just take small amount of profits out of the market and achieve your target, daily target, and just stay away. So yes, that's it for today. And moreover, let's see if we can grab another opportunity. Let's not forget to mention the price of BTC now. So we have another chance. I have just seen another opportunity. BTC is at 88, 89, 400. It just hit 89, 400 and just fall backs again. Uh, so we have another chance. Let me catch that opportunity for you guys on a very quick note, short notice. So yes, we have a chance to open a short position, open a long position. I'm just going to use for $200 of margin and just going to enter the position. Okay, let's see. We can make some money. So I have just entered the position and I will take TP to somewhere around. That's too much. Okay, let's see if we can make $200 from this trade as well. It is possible. Yes, it is. Maybe it will take some time, so you guys can stay with me and see it live, and you guys can see the movement of this coin live on any exchange. The coins, these coins are listed on. Yes. So yes, let me remove the support line and the resistance side. Let it stay there. Okay, so see if we can. Okay, okay, okay. Four. So we are $60 positive now. I can close my trade from here, but I just want to keep it continue for maybe a long period of time or yes, we can. Okay, so the movement is in danger, so we can put our stop loss at break even. It could have hit my stop loss, but with that we will be in safe hands at least if the price went back somewhere down and the position goes wrong. So instead of making money, we could have lose some money. So instead of losing money, just put your stop loss while just your trade is in positive. So yes, let's see if we can make some profit with this trade as well. Okay. Oh, I think yes. Let's see if we can make some of it. All right, guys. And it feels like it will hit our stop loss, but anything can be happened from this situation. Let's see. Stay with me so we can book another small amount of profit. So we have, yes, it can go up. Yes, it can, or it cannot. Let's see if it gives us a chance. All right, guys, here is the moment. The movement of this coin is going good. I just took the trade at the bottom of this pattern. I am already in profit of $130. I can move my stop loss to somewhere around here. Yes, $50. So if it hits my stop loss, I would be in positive $50, or I can close my trade. I'm at almost $100 positive now. But all I need to do is to just wait. Let's see. We can make another $200 on top of $200. Wow. Let's see. No, it seems like it will hit our stop loss, and yes, it's gonna hit our stop loss. But stop loss is already in the $50 positive, so yes, instead of instead of losing your money, maybe we the stop loss is the better thing to save you. Yes. So we have made a $50 more. So let's not forget to mention that. Uh, yes. So that's the money we made today. Yes, that's, I think that's enough for today. Uh, you guys have seen like, uh, it's not a financial advice. I am not a financial expert. I'm not a crypto expert. I'm not a trader. I'm not a great trader, I must say. This is the stuff we are doing for you guys to understand the market, to understand how to do, how to perform the live trades, and how to understand the movement of the coin and where to enter the situation, where is the support, where is the resistance. That's what it is. So today we have made $570 just picking up small profits. One of them was big, actually. Yeah, that was the great moment we could have captured. Yeah. Moreover, just put the money if you want to, the money you can afford to lose. Yeah, I always say that. Start, if you want to start trading, just do your own research first, then you can enter the market. And moreover that, you guys can please, I strongly recommend that when you start doing trading, please start with small amount of percentage of profit. Always try to invest 2, 3%, 4% of your portfolio maximum, and make like make 1, 2, 3% of your portfolio every day. So that's a good approach. I have made like 6, 7% of my portfolio today. That's good enough. uh, 1, 2, 3% of your portfolio can gain, and you can compound that money, and definitely you can use that money, and it create your wealth. It is possible, yes, it is. Just follow me on YouTube, and I came live every day, so I can show you guys how do I perform the trades every day. So that's all for today. If you guys have any question, you guys can ask me in the comment section. I'm here to respond you guys. Okay, so yes. So we have made $570, almost $570 today, which is not bad actually. Uh, if we see the percentage of the portfolio. All right, all right. Moreover, yes, uh, I would definitely recommend you guys to uh, try to, if you want to try to start trading futures, just add small amount of money, start growing your capital with compounding. Compounding, of course, everybody knows about. If not, if does not know about, compounding means it's a basic thing. You just add up your profit every day. And first of all, when you reach your capital, when you make it double, whenever you make it, just take your capital out of it. So in that way, of course, your capital is safe. If you lose your profit, that's all what you made from the market. So I always say that just keep your just as soon as you make your capital double, just stay out, just put all of your, sorry, sorry, just take out your capital from the market. Moreover, start gaining with like 2, 3, 4 maximum percent of your capital every day. So yeah, that's the beauty. Moreover, if you guys have any question, you guys can ask me. I'm available for you guys to respond. And we have made like 500 and few dollars today. Gained. We started with a capital of $1,000 like 18 days back, and we have grown our capital to almost 9,000 now. So yes, it's possible. It is possible, but more risk, more reward. Yeah, more risk, more reward, but more risk, more chances of losing your money. So don't take more risk. Just take small rewards from the market and give some reward backs to the markets. Not every day is profitable day. You can lose, you can win. Yeah, that's how it works. Moreover, I would definitely suggest you guys to start doing with demo trading. So whatever the amount you add in demo, you just consider it like it's your own money. So when you have that sense of responsibility, then you can definitely start doing with that. And you will understand the market, try to understand the market movement, try to understand the volume, try to understand where to put your stop loss, where to put your TP, where to put your support and resistance, how to gauge the support and resistance. So yeah, stay with me, guys. I came live every day at the same time. So that's how we made. I think there is not a single day we have lost any money. Yeah, we have grown our capital from 1,000 to 7,000, $8,000 now. So try use demo accounts initially. It's not a financial advice to put your money. Of course, I'm not an expert. I'm not a financial advisor. I will not suggest you guys what to do, what not to do. Do your own research while start doing trading. So thank you so much for being online with me. If you guys have any question, you guys can ask me. I'm just here with you guys for a few minutes for now, maybe 5, 6 minutes. If you guys can ask me, if you guys want to ask any question, please, you guys can ask me. So I would love to respond to you guys. Okay. There are multiple trading platforms. All you can do is just do a little research. So yes, that can give you good understanding of platforms. Almost all of them the same, not the same, but almost the same kind of interface. So it's very easily understandable. So yes. So I have today's session, I have mentioned about the trading strategies and the types of trading. And yes, that's all for today. And anything else I can guide you guys can ask. Okay, so we have made $570. That's good. It's like 8% of my portfolio. I have just gained it. Try to compound it. Withdraw your capital as soon as you double your money with in crypto or any kind of trading platform. So yes. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much for being with me. It's a great pleasure to perform a live trade with you guys, and you guys have seen gaining small profits. I have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades live today, and made small amount of profit on every trade, and just staying out of the market. You want to spend some time on trading? Yes, you can spend some time on trading. Just that specific time you need to spend. Close your trades every day, and and shut down your system. Just don't open any platform on your mobile. Don't do that. Whenever you open it, you would definitely the market will try to attract you again. So that's that's kind of magnet. So just when you achieve your daily target, just stay out of the market. I would strongly recommend you guys. Initially it's hard to understand. We have I have lost a lot of money in start. I made good profit every day, and whenever I see another position, okay, let's get the position, and with profit I have lost my washed account my account multiple times. So that's the discipline you make. You just set your target and try to achieve that target. If you are not achieving that target, and you think that it's not achievable for today, just stay out of the market. Just set your time, see the market situation, see the market movement, just keep an eye on news, what's going on in the market and what's going to be happen in few days. So yes, it is what it is. People are gaining good money, people are losing a lot of money. So more people are losing, less people are gaining. It totally depends upon you how you take it. So how you make your discipline. That is the discipline you make, you can make good money. Okay, so I think we should end our session here for now. If you guys have any question, you guys can ask, or you can just write a comment. I would definitely love to respond to you on the comment as well, so you guys will get a notification on that. Moreover, please follow my channel as well. We came live every day. I came live every day to show you guys the live trades, how to perform the live trade. Okay, thank you so much for your time, guys. See you next tomorrow. So yeah, see you tomorrow at the same time. Okay, bye bye.